Hi everyone!
With this.
Hi everyone! Happy Wednesday, and today it's already 11:44 in the morning. Ngayong araw, wala kaming face-to-face classes since it's holiday, pero I have a lot of pendings to do. Mag-revise ako ng script for our play, then review ako for our UCSP midterms. And yung subject na yun is identification. Next week na siya, kailangan ko mag-advance reviewing kasi nga identification siya. Walang multiple choices, kaya makes sense na mas maga ako mag-review today. Malaman ko if naging effective ba yung pag-review ko ng each lessons.
Itong steamer from Xiaomi na super helpful.
Ayun din yung alam ko eh. Doon sila nagkakilala sa bunker. Pero ang nangyari siguro kasi is
Yung sa, more on sa lalim lang naman ng pananalitang ayusin eh.
Girl, if I can play the guitar 널 위한 곡을 수천 개는 더 아마도 앨범을 한 6장은 내지 않았을까 네가 내 가사가 되면 Then I'll make a love for you While you're sleeping Like a Hessian, like a Hessian, like a Hessian yeah.
Hi guys, I'm with Jelvin, our CEO. Ako rin.
First product portfolio. So over nga sa 18 years na experience namin, we
Nag-congrats si sir. Hey guys, good afternoon, and today we will be having our online quiz sa MTech, and it's already 1:50 p.m. and 2 p.m. yung start ng class namin sa MTech. Mag-i-start kagad kami sa pag-take ng quiz or mag-discussion pa si ma'am.
yung tolerable, no?